Okay, hello, sir. We're back.
So, as I was saying, the shadow of this candlestick in H1 is also a body, so it touch it and then come back for retracement. The first candlestick that come back just break the first breakout and the fake out. So, we set our sell around here, and then our SL will be above here, all the way to the downside will be our take profit. And you can see we will have made so much money with just this break and retest. Just a little thing,
Yeah.
but you make a lot of money from this. So simple and straightforward. So when the market come here, all right, so let's draw a trend line for this. All right. So when the market come and tested this major level, it's break above, come back for retracement, and then come back. We do not break this fake out. Finally, we break the fake out. So you set for buy. What next you need to break is your trend line, right? So the market come to break the trend line, but it failed to come back. It come back like it's just trying to break, but the sell is very strong. So that's why the buy failed to break the sell. So finally, the market continued pushing to the downside. But we can see around here, inside the major level, the market finally break the trend line. So now, once the market come out and break above this, now what you are going to do here is you can draw this line. You can draw this. Where is the fake out? This is the last fake out. You have to bring it to the last highest movement of the buy. You understand? Like the previous movement,
Okay.
because you started seeing it around here and then it did not. So, because now if you say you are going to buy, if you buy, the market come and respect this level and then just go down. You understand?
Go
So
down.
that's why you don't need to buy. You have to wait and break it before you buy. So as you can see, now if you can, so like you don't need to see any break and retest right now because you already did it around here and then the market did not break below. So it's still inside the major level. So it's still respecting the bullish. But we need to break trend line, we said, and we also break the trend line. So now what next? We need to break this fake out, the overall high movement in the previous. We need to break it.
Okay.
Why you draw this line. So now if you break it all the way to here is your take profit, and then this may be your first take profit and then next to the major level, because you know sometimes if you are trading major level, the market will go to the next major level before changing movement or direction. Sometimes the market is not even respecting the minor level, so that's why we even call it minor level. You know, something that is minor and major is very
Yes, the difference is there. Yes.
yeah, so that's why this might be a take profit, maybe, or maybe you can also circle some profit there and then move your SL to break even to see if the market is going to do break and retest and then continue pushing to the upside. You understand? But you cannot just say it is your highest movement of the buy. Then you can say it's 50-50 because your liquidity area is very big and then you take profit. Yeah, the take profit is kind of bigger than this, we can see. But you know, like a lot of people are just afraid of doing this. And then this is what's very safe for me, to be honest. It's better for me to just reduce the lot size. If I'm using 0.1, if I see the liquidity area is very big, then I will use 0.01. You understand? Because of what? You
Okay.
can just use big lot size and says because of the liquidity area is big, so it has blown your account. No, you blow your account blue. There is a lot size that you can handle. So if you are chasing big money, that's when that one will happen. So that's why I don't mind. I don't mind even the liquidity area is very big. Like I don't mind even my take profit. This I still don't mind because I'm very, very safe. It's better for me to do this than to buy and risk. If you buy here or you buy here because you want to target all this, you a sniper gang, Abby. So
No, you
you
use
will
money.
fill up losing money because sometimes this market, you can imagine you buy here and then the market just respect this level or this level is strong, so it's push the market to the downside and come and break your major level and continue going to the sell because overall we know that the market is already sell, so you see
Yeah.
that's why for you to buy this you have to be very, very careful. And we do not say it's only this will be your take profit because the next level is not a major level, is a minor level. And the
Minor.
minor level might be just maybe the market will just respect it by doing a break and a retest, then continue pushing to the upside, right? So something like this much. Let me say, where can I see this thing? Nope, I think so. Oh, all right. It's not in my favorite because I'm not really using it. I just use it for teaching to explain for you guys. But me,
Oh, okay.
I can see if I just draw my arrow, I can see a clear direction of the market. So let's say the market started by doing this. Maybe respect one of this by doing this, then maybe come. This is like, but the market fit like just continue pushing to the upside, without retesting this level. It
Okay.
just go up. So like whatever the market do, if the market come back or if the market come out, like the first candlestick that come out above this line and close, like that's where you are going to buy. Imagine the H4 that close around that place, around this place. So this is your entry, right? So because you break
Yeah.
this, so all the way to here, you can play your take profit. So let's say, where is this short position? Long position. For now, see, you say, wow, your SL is bigger. That's what some people in the group, they said this kind
Yeah.
of SL. What are you going to do? You are going to blow your account. Who
Easy
tell
for
you to
you.
who tell you to use big lot size? Like I
Yeah.
am surprised. I'm surprised people are talking like this. Like how this is your money. You know how you are going to control it. So because your SL is bigger, it doesn't mean that you cannot control. You can control it through lot size. You can just use very, very less lot size. So maybe if the market come and respect one, the reason why you can use the lot size is because the market fit come and respect one of those levels without hitting your SL and continue going up. So
Going
that's why,
here.
the institutional banks don't want their asset managers to be trading in this zone. You understand? Like they don't want to be in loss for so much time. Once they enter, let's make money. You understand? So that's how the institutional banks trades. So and then it's possible for the market to come and respect one of this level without hitting your SL. So that's why if the market come and respect it, and then you see you open a very big lot size, so like it's going to be, if you open a big lot size, it's going to be a very huge loss. Like you see, oh my god, I'm losing $1,000. What the fuck? And then you do not hit your SL, but you see the loss is much. So that's why you need to reduce your lot size if you see there is something like this, because you're expecting the market maybe to respect one of the level, maybe something like this or something like this, then push all the way to the upside and then all the way to here. So, and then we said this may not be our last take profit, but we can stop around here because it's a level. We cannot just draw our take profit above our minor level. We have to stop. And
Yes.
if you can trade the minor level too, you have to break and retest and break it, because whenever the market come and just break the minor level without retesting it, so like it's not consistent. It's very, very possible for the market to come and respect this level. So when the market come back to respect it, so that's when you are going to catch the market. You understand?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
Okay. Hey, the statement you just made now, when a market breaks a major level, it's not
Mm,
compulsory retest,
mm,
right? That last statement you made now.
This major level.
And yes, let's say a market comes and breaks it. It's not
Yeah,
compulsory
that's
to retest.
let's
Can go
let's
to
look at
another
it.
level.
Let's look at it. This is when the market
Okay.
come and tested it and then break
Yes.
above it. Yes,
Yes.
yes, yeah. So it has to, like, when you break above it, like you come back, you see when you need when you say when you break above, you need to come back for retracement to retest the level. When you retest the level, you have to come back and break the first breakout. You understand?
Okay.
Which the first place that you break in your major level, if you come back, you must come back and retest it, and then you come back and break it. You understand? You come back and retest the major level, and you come back and break this first breakout. So when the market tested this, so the reason why we can't use this is because the market tested the major level and break above, come back for retracement around here, come back, we did not break it. You can see it's the same level, it's the same level. So it's keep on consolidating, but finally this candlestick break it, this one, it break it. So
Okay.
when this candlestick break this zone, so that's when you can buy, right? But the reason why you cannot buy is because of your counter trend line. If your trend line is heading to the downside, if you are trending down of this like counter trend line, you don't need to place any buy trade. You have to break this counter trend line before you play with your money.
Oh,
You understand? You have
okay.
to break this counter trend line. That's very, very important. If you do not break trend line, no matter how the market give you confirmation, don't buy, don't do anything. You understand? You have to break it. So like this now, the market come here, try to break it, but it didn't break it. So, and it come back, but finally the market come and break it around here, come back and retest it, break it. So we finally break it now, and then the market is trying to come out. So when the market come out, you cannot just buy. You have to see, like, this is in the previous, where is the highest movement? That's like the highest high movement. That's when you are going to draw lines. So that's your fake out. So you need to break this highest line, because if the market is coming out it's going to respect those level before just going up. You understand? So that's why you need to wait for the market to finish respecting and break the highest high, which means there is no more high, and then this high is fresh one, is new one, and then the one is the one that you are going to catch. You understand? So if the market come back to retest the liquidity area, if the liquidity area is bigger, you can use small lot size so that you will be safe when the market is coming back to respect one of the level before going up. You understand? Then you can
Okay.
start drawing your trend line. Immediately the market come here, you can draw your trend line from where the market start. You understand?
Wow, okay. Thank you. I
Yeah,
used to be confused with those things before.
mm.
That was why I needed someone to just at least open my eyes way.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you
I'm
so
going to
much.
do that. I'm going to do that.
Mm. So
That's
I'll just be monitoring the ones you have dropped. I
all
pray
right.
there's a fresh one.
No
At least I know
problem.
December
I will
market is
send you.
always
Yeah, I will send you this chat. I will download
screenshot.
download the real image and send you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. So I'll be watching it. Like you
All
said,
right.
patience is
Yes.
the game.
Yes. You
No
see all
rush.
this movement, all this movement. If you are not pushing, you can go and put your money, and it's going to take you to loss, because if you do not get
Actually, it
all this
will.
confirmation, it's not possible for you to gain something from this market. So that's why
Yeah.
you need to be patient, you know. This one, like, it's going to take so long before, but sometimes in even one time you can just see it. So we don't know what the market is doing. That's why always we don't need to just say we are going to do this. Like, we have to follow our rules, use the technicals and fundamentals. Also, like, fundamentals, me too, I use little, to be honest. I just look at when I'm not doing something, I always watch Bloomberg News, Yahoo Finance in my YouTube.
Oh,
So that's when I see some fundamentals, and that's when, or maybe I will go to some investing.com or whatever website for fundamental analysis. I will see some people analysis and see the reaction of the market, see positive news and negative news, and see what's my technicals. Is it the same? If you are alone and you see a positive news, so you see you are pretty clear to go. So I just use it
okay.
for more confirmation, but I don't care about fundamental, to be honest. I use technicals.
Okay. Then I
But
wanted
I
to ask a question.
watch them. I watch them. It's very important.
Okay. I want to ask a question. When you, let's say now, like this card now, let's say it's ready and we have entered for the buy. Let's say it has fulfilled everything, it has broken that middle zone, and
All
we are
right.
in for the buy. And
All
you're not
right.
expecting close. Do you close your position in fear, or you use a small lot size? What do you do when you have open position and news is coming?
All right. Uh, like where you can plot your take profit or the lot size that you can use.
No, I'm just saying, let's say you are in a trade now, just like you have opened position in Euro USD and
All right.
GBP. In
All
the
right.
afternoon now, I think around 2:30, there's a news coming. Do you
Yeah.
leave it or do you
Oh,
reduce your loss?
oh.
Or what do
Yeah,
you
I don't
yeah.
mind. I don't mind. Like when what my technicals tell me, that's what I follow. Technicals lead the fundamentals, to be honest.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so if the news come, the news might be a buy mostly. So
Okay.
if the sell comes, so it's also the same, because it's a part of the process.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
We leave
yeah,
it.
but I don't mind. I don't care. I don't see, like, I don't remove or close entry.
But
And
major news like NFP nko. NFP used to be crazy too.
yeah,
If
yeah,
it go
definitely, definitely. I know that. If I see that, sometimes I avoid myself from trading. I avoid myself from
oh,
yeah.
but if
Sometimes
you have a
I avoid
position
myself.
open,
Yes, I will just, because sometimes, mostly, if you see NFP times, you can see mostly the market is not even consistent. You can find the market ranging in one place, or maybe it's trying to respect a Fibonacci level or something like this. So it's not even
yeah.
consistent that you can trade. So that's why mostly
Oh,
it will definitely tell you like what's the market going to do. Trust your technicals.
oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But I'm not afraid of any NFP or CPI.
Because me, anytime there's news, like that yesterday, I think I opened small lot 0.05 with the GDP you gave. But when I saw
Sometimes
that news was coming, I couldn't close it.
sometimes when the news is happening, like I don't even check my phone or check my threads. I don't check anything. Maybe I will when I used to
Oh,
check my threads, I used to leave my thread for 1 day or 2 days. I do not even check. When I check, I'm pretty sure I'm going to
because
hit
of
my TP or my SN. And then I already sacrifice this. If I hit my first and second take profit, I will move my SN to break even. So that's why
to break
always
even.
don't
No?
mind. I don't mind. Even the news, when the news is happening, always I see I have a running trade. I'm running over $2,000 profit. When the news come, I just see the trade goes to $3,000, but I didn't close. Still up to now, the market come back to over 1,400. I didn't close up to now. Like it's
Wow.
so I don't mind.
Wow.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000 is just I don't mind. I keep on holding because I have my level. I keep on hitting the take profit. I grow three from
Oh,
4,000 to over 11,000. But this is something that I will do, not you, to be honest. Because I analyze and trade. I scarf any opportunity I see, I catch. But somebody
oh,
that trying to build his trading career, you need to have a realistic expectation, like expecting something that is less. That's how I start, to be honest. Like when I'm doing this top-down analysis, any account I take, like I just used to target 10%, 10%, 10%, anything, 10%, 10%,
mm,
or 10% daily, 10% weekly, 10% monthly, like just 10%. I used to take
wow.
10%, like anything. It depends on the account, you understand? But 10%. So, and I'm seeing like it's pretty good, clear, and then it's going. So, like as Dafo Willis tell us, once you have realistic expectation, you're targeting the list, so you don't even know when the big will be coming. Sometimes you will see from 10%, you will even go to 60%, 70%, 80%.
Mm.
So you see, it's because you apply this mindset of realistic expectation. That's when you are consistent to get there. Understand?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Wow.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that mindset because maybe if though that yesterday's one, if I didn't close it, the buy candle that came on the GDP would have eat me out. But it
Mm.
later went down again
Wow.
because,
Yeah.
like you always say, it's like fake out.
Is a
But
fake out. Definitely. Anything happen for a reason in the market. Anything happened to me, I have my reasons. I know why this thing happened to me, and I know like how I'm going to avoid it. Like everything. You just need to dedicate yourself to understand this market. If you understand it, you get there. Like you can just be printing money in this market. But it's take time, to be honest.
it's true. It's true.
Yeah.
At least I'm enjoying my learning process.
That's
Seriously,
amazing. That's the biggest win. That's the biggest win.
yes, I know I'm not there. I'm not even close. But the
Mm,
fact that I've seen
mm,
this top-down analysis, and I think that is even better than all this scalping that all this Jeff used to teach. That
definitely.
one scattered
If
my
you are
head.
if you
It
are
scattered my
here, if you are here, you are
head completely.
consistent in the market. You are consistent in the market. It's the scalpers that trying to catch all those territories. Not be say we don't know the scalping, and not be say we can't do it. No, we can see we can do it, but we just follow our rules, right? It's just you can see when the
Yes,
market is moving, if
yes.
you plot your Fibonacci, you can try and catch entry and enter again and make some profit. But all this like it's just a small money that you can keep on burning your money because it's not even consistent. How can you
It's not
believe in
though. It's
in
not.
how can you believe in a level of take profit or a fake out? and use it as your entity or your SLO. Anytime
Remember
the
that time I
market,
can take
like
like
anytime it's
30
possible
trades
for
in
the
a day.
market, anytime
Yeah,
it's possible for the market to change movement, anytime it's possible to change movement, because it's
very
not a
true.
level
Very
of profit, it's not a major level. You do not follow your rules. So that's why you need to avoid yourself from all this. Once you are here, you need to get
very true.
definitely.
So is it Xness broker you are using to trade, or what do you use?
I use Octa FX. I use Octa FX.
Oh,
Like, let me show you.
funny enough, I
Uh,
have accounts with them, oh,
okay,
but I've
with
not
Octa.
used it yet.
Wow.
Yes.
Where is the out and winning? Out and
But
winning.
I know by January, Sha, I will open one
Mm,
release and I'll open maybe one Octa. I'll
yeah,
split my
that's
money
amazing.
into two.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, out and winning. Okay. So can you see this?
Ah,
So
are you serious? That's
yeah,
you.
I've been like
Oh my God.
since July, I have been in the participant of their trading challenge for
Ah,
oh, we have almost 5,000 participants. Like inside the 5,000 participants, they just need to
Jesus.
100 winners. So inside the 100 winners, I become number one. Like
Yeah, no, but
I beat
oh my God.
all the 100 people. So I must just like right now, if we finish this, I'm going to send you what they sent me, what they delivered to me. And then
Number one, Jesus.
is the match I'm going to use to create like a lot of contents for you
Ah, you
guys
should though, please paste it everywhere because people will
very
believe
soon.
you more.
Very
I'm
soon.
telling you.
Very soon.
Before you sent you that message, I've been following you for like 3 months. I wanted to know if
Wow.
you really know this thing. I'll
Yeah.
go and check the trade group. I'll
Yeah.
check if it's truly into
Yes.
it TP or it's just
Yeah.
like because on that group, plenty noisemakers are there. They don't know
Yes.
anything.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. Exactly.
Ah, I respect you, Jesus.
Thank you so
Hey, number one.
much.
Ah,
Thank you.
damn.
Um, I think if
Ah,
you don't have another question, then I will send you what I said I will send you. Then
yes. Please, can you send the recording of these classes too? So
yeah,
I can watch it again.
definitely. I'm going to send you.
Thank you so much, sir. I can't wait for January for me to
You're
start
welcome.
proper.
You're
I'm
welcome.
just using this opportunity to go back and be watching videos and be learning.
Let's go. Let's go. That's amazing.
Yes.
That's very amazing.
Thank you
Well,
so much, sir, for the opportunity. I'm really grateful, seriously.
thank
For
you.
some of these things, if you don't have someone